Okay, so I'm just going to show you one way that we can use busing in Live 10. We're going to do this with the Sidechain Bus. We're going to create a new audio track to start and make sure that our input and output routing is on. We're going to choose monitoring to in. And now that monitoring is in on this channel, what we're going to do is we're going to choose some other tracks and we're going to send that audio to this. So for starters, we're just going to name that Sidechain. I'm going to click up here and hold down Shift and select all of these channels at once. Now you'll notice in the input and output routing that they're currently being sent to the master. We're going to click here and change this to Sidechain. So what's occurring now is the audio is going out of these channels, in to the sidechain, and out to the master. So we can demonstrate that by soloing this and initiating playback. So now everything's being sent to this sidechain bus. So what we're going to do now is just put a compressor on this channel. We're going to turn on sidechaining and choose the kick. Okay, so now all audio that's coming out of these channels into the sidechain gets routed through the sidechain circuit, and the output gets directed to the master. This can be useful for a lot of reasons. For one, we don't have many instances of a compressor occurring, so you're going to save on CPU overall. And for two, it's easier because you don't have to, load up a compressor, choose the sidechain, or, find one and copy and paste it. All you really need to do is go into the clip output and change that to the sidechain bus. So it's a really easy way to get sidechain compression. Another thing that occurs here is if you had a compressor, say on this channel, and for some reason need to freeze and flatten it, you can't because of the sidechain routing. So if you send to a sidechain bus, then you can freeze and flatten. So it's just another way to get sidechain compression done. Let me know in the comments if that helped you. Thanks.